They got the head on, our DT MaxxForce, and the machine shop. We sent it down there, they hot tanked it, they checked it over, they machined the surface just so it's good and flat against the head gasket, and replaced the valve seals, and they said it's pretty good shape, no cracks, nothing major. So let's go over to the manual and look over the torque sequence. Now, so looking at the manual, lubricate the threads, replace the head bolts because they stretch. This is a torque to yield, final torque, so to play it safe, if you get any stretch, you're not going to get, you're not going to clamp that head down the way it should be with used bolts. There's also another page here I noticed. You do not use the diamond shaped hole style head gasket. Use a head gasket without the diamond shaped hole. So it's good to know. I guess it's, you can have trouble if you use the wrong head gasket. It's a lot of work, so you want to be sure, right? So yeah, torque sequence, typical circular pattern, middle out. And the first torque, 111 foot-pounds. Second torque, 176 foot-pounds. And the third torque is 176 pounds again. Foot-pounds at the final stage is a torque to yield. It's quarter turn or 90 degrees. You just mark the bolt and quarter of a turn. Following the torque sequence, and you're good to go. And no problems. Follow this sequence carefully. Don't skip any steps, and you won't have any worries at all.